which is the seventh scenario. So in this scenario, we are going to see how we can create data containers. So here we're going to discuss about data containers, part of Docker. So there are two ways of approaching stateful containers, that is, containers are store and persistent data for future use. This could be in container creating and storing data, for example, a database. Alternatively, it could be data requiring additional, for instance, and configuration of OSS certifications. So we'll start the scenario. Okay, there are four steps. The very first one is create container. The data containers are containers which sole responsibility to be a place to store or manage data. Like other containers, they are managed by the host system, however they don't run when you perform docker ps command. To create a data container, we first create a container, the well-known name, or for future reference. We use busybox as the base, as it's more than lightweight in case we want to explore and move the container to another host. So when creating the host container, we also provide a -v option to define where the other containers will be reading, saving data. So we're going to use this command, create a data container for storing configuration files. So it is already successfully executed. We can move to the next step, which is copy files. The container in place, now we can copy files from the local client directory into the container. To copy files into a container, you use a command docker cp. The following command will copy config current file into the data container in the direct config. So the command is executed. Now we can move to the next step, which is mount volumes from. So now our data container has a config. We can reference the container when we launch dependent containers requiring the configuration file. Use the volume from container option. We can use the mount volumes from the container inside the container being launched. So we can use this command, and we can move to the next step, which is export import containers. If we wanted to move the data container to the machine, then we can export it to a .tar file. So we'll execute the command. Okay, that is already successfully executed the command. Import data container. Now we'll import the data container back into Docker. So that's all for this scenario. We can move to the next scenario.